Okay, Sam, what are you playing with? What are these? Is it a sticker? Yeah, where does it go? Oh, that's nice. You put it on the whale. Uh-oh. Can you put it back on? Ooh. Ooh. Oh, you're going to put them there? That's nice. Which one's your favorite sticker? You like the green one? Do you need some help? Let me help you with that. Here you go. No, don't put it in your mouth. Yeah, on your shirt. That's better. Here you go. Where are you going to put that? Yes, on your shirt. That's great. That looks nice. Where are you going to put it?